Okay. Just practice students. Any of them I've done. So only one type of question is still pending. That is, we call investment or sale proceed. Okay, where they'll merge two questions together. Only that type is left. So keep solving. Which one we did in Selina's textbook? Which question we had done? Fifth one. Sixth one, you all can try. Try the seventh one. Be quick. Try the seventh. I'll explain more. Let me know if you all have done. Discuss the answer. Seventh one. Okay, seventh one. Yes, root continue from the seventh. All of you completed. A man buys 50 shares. Before shares, what is it? Yeah, paying 12%. See, percent is given. What is percent? Uh, at a premium of rupees 10. What is premium meaning? Positive or negative? Premium. Increase. So nominal value is 50. So market value will be 50 plus 10 is 60. So this is, see, remember this students. Nominal value, market value, both are just for one share. This is just for one share. What they've asked us to find? Market value of how many shares? Multiply 320 into 60. For one share it is 60. For 320 what you will get? Yes, rupees 19,200. Okay, annual income AI. What is AI? Annual income or dividend formula? Number of shares into nominal value, not into 100. Number of shares indirectly they mentioned here. How many shares are there? Yes, you're supposed to take that number of shares. All these are very basic questions. Okay, number of shares. So 32. Yes, 302. 20. What else is asked? Is profit percent. See, profit percent is also known as what? Rate of return. Did we study anything called profit percent? No, right? Profit percent. Then remember, it is nothing but rate of return. What is rate of return? Dividend. Yes, dividend here instead of dividend, what we found? Both are same. Annual income divided by investment into. Is investment given? No. We need to find. Annual income is how much? 20. What is investment formula? Yes, number of share is 320. You can write it directly instead of calculating separately. 320 into market value of one share is how much? 60. Yes, complete this. Reduce zeros. You can reduce and cancel, or you can just write 19,200. So two zeros gets cancelled. It goes 10 times. Answer is 10%. You can use that. You'll use that, but I prefer this students. This is best. Profit percent, right? Both are correct. Both are correct. Only thing, don't write rate of return here. What you have to mention? Profit percent. That's it. So profit percent, rate of return, all those are same students. Just the words are different. If you want, use your teacher's formula, because again that is different concept. Is it clear? All of you done? Next one. Only the names are different, students. Okay, profit percent. Next, eighth one. Tell me the eighth one. A man invest. Investment is equal to, okay, buying a shares of a company of face value of rupees. Yes. So what is face value also known as? 100. At a premium, now percentage is given. Premium meaning is what? Positive. We have to add, right? So write premium. Look here. Premium is equal to 10%. But I don't need 10%. I want rupees. So what is that? 10 divided by 100 multiplied by, so rupees 10. That's it. So that is premium amount. I'll write P amount. Premium percentage is 10, but premium amount is rupees 10. So what will be market value? 100 plus 110. If he earns rupees 1002 at the end of, as what? Hmm. Dividend. Dividend is how much? 1002. What do we also call dividend as? Annual income. So don't get confused. It's the same. Some question they give annual income and some question they give it as dividend. Okay, first thing. What do we need to find? Okay. What are the two formulas we use, students, to find number of shares? One is investment and the other one is, okay. Both the values are given. Let us take investment formula. What is investment? Number of shares into M is given, so market value. How do you find number of shares? Oh, that's it. Write the formula. Calculate it. Okay, I don't think number of shares. Oh, correct. Investment is given. It is the answer. Market value is 110. Just go through what I've done with this. So if you're trying to memorize number of shares formula, you'll definitely forget. You won't know which one to apply here. So don't go as per your teacher's formula, the textbook formula. Go through this. Okay, dividend percent. What is dividend percent? See, the word dividend is given, percent is given. What's the thing we need to find? Whenever they ask percent, what's the only thing I've told you? ROD, right? Yes. Where does ROD come? In which formula we use ROD? Yes. So use dividend. Dividend is equal to, what's the formula for dividend? Divided by 100. If you want to find ROD, in textbook or teacher would have given direct formula. But definitely you'll forget. if you try to memorize. So keep ROD as it is. What is dividend value given? What was nominal value we got? Correct, 100. Complete. 15%. If they ask dividend percent, answer also should be percent. Got the answer, all of you? Uh, Let me give one. This was 8th question. Okay, try the ninth one, students. In ninth one, except one thing, selling at premium. The dividend on share is 15%. They have given the word dividend and percentage is given. So what is this 15? What do you have to take? This particular 15%. What will you take? It is ROD value. Try the ninth one. Okay, try ninth and tenth. Just ignore all this. Try ninth and tenth. I'll give you all 5 minutes time. Market value for which one do? Ninth one? Yes. Ninth or tenth? Ninth. Okay. Man invest. What is investment? 3360 shares. Nominal value is selling at 12% premium. Premium percentage is how much? Okay. What is premium amount? Into where 100? Into 24. See, 12 by 100 into 24. Then market value will be, okay, let me check, 12 to 24. If 100 is given, don't reduce it to use shifting method. 288 divided by 100. 2.88. What is nominal value? Add premium meaning you have to add it. So 26.88. What is asked? The dividend of the share. Dividend meaning take ROD. Rate of dividend is 15%. Okay, what do you need to find? Number of. How do you find number of share students? Which formula do we use? In which, yes, investment is equal to number of shares into market value. Market. So investment is how much? 3360. Look at the screen, all of you. Look at the screen. Stop writing. Investment. You all write it full, students, in full words. So investment is equal to number of shares as it is. What is market value? Okay, but decimal calculation is tough. I'll write 2688 divided by 100. Now calculate number of shares. Okay, number of shares, annual dividend. Dividend he receives annually. Find the dividend, students. Later. Try even the 10th one. Did you complete even the 10th? I told 9th and 10th. So what are the other chapters left for unit 1? Did we complete everything? Okay. So mostly today or by Saturday we'll complete it. On Monday revision. Yeah, hexagon and pentagon, yes, that is left. Okay, we'll do that on Monday. Anything else which I kept pending? No, no, proving you don't get students. Even if you get for board exam, they don't give proving. But still, okay. Pending one we'll do Monday. Fine, Ruth. Send it. All the pending questions will be done on Monday, students, along with revision. Okay. So yes, we have 1 week time. That's what Ruth told. Minutes and degrees question. No, no. For board exam, there is no minute or degree question. It is for speed and time, students. You have to find time. Where do you get minutes, seconds, and minutes? In time, right? And so that is time period question. Be quick. All of you will try when the 10th one. Getting late. How come this? Okay, let me check. Okay. Be quick, students. Others complete 10th one. Is anyone still doing? No, right? Okay. Let me solve then. And those who are not solving this, waiting for me to do, sitting and copying, it's of no use. You won't be able to score good marks. Investment is number of shares to market value. Okay, so you'll have to try solving it. So you have to do it on your own. Each and every step I've taught you. Look at number of shares. RT 100 will get multiplied. Did you do that? 2688. First, let me check. Yeah, 2 times table. 360 200 divided by 26. And it's whole number 125. Let's calculate and check. So if you use 2 times table, 2 ones are 2 threes are 4 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. Again, 2 six are 12. Here what you will get? Isn't it 840? Next, 2 threes are 6 are 2 into 420. Then you get 2 into 210, 168. So isn't it too lengthy to solve like this? And tell me, student, let's think practically. Number of share is rupees or quantity? Quantity will never be in decimal. It will always be a round number. So better do it like this. See, there are 4 numbers. So take first 4. Ones are 2688. You take 4. If it is less, you can take 5 numbers. Then when you borrow from this 3 becomes 2. 13 becomes 12. Carry 1. 16 becomes 15 and 0. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Next one, 12 minus 6 is 6. So 2688. You can try 2 times. 2 8s are 16, 17. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 5. So again you reduce it, students. 7. You get 4, 4, 1, 0. Bring this 0. So 2688, try 4 times. 2688, try 5 times. Check which one gives 13440. Yes, into 5. So the answer is how much? No. Number of shares. 125. You reduce everything, you get 125. After that, what is asked? Dividend. What is dividend formula, students? Number of shares into what is nominal value? 24. What is ROD given? 15. Divided by 100. So I'll take directly, I'll use 25 times. 25 goes 4 times, or you can use even 5 times. Here 5. 5 are 4 ones are 4 6 are 6 5s are 30 into 15. Is it 450? Rupees 450 is the answer. I'll do the 10. Completed. Angel Island. Why these students are not responding? Bhargavi. Completed. What about Malavika, Cecilia? Done. Kefera Anam. Are you able to solve? Okay, students. Next. What 50? Which one? Okay, I'll do it. Just check. Investment 77,500 company paying 10% dividend. So what do you mean by dividend word is given? 10% is given. What will you take that? Yes, rate of dividend. And never write ROD, students, write rate of dividend. Annual income is how much? 500. What is annual income also known as? Dividend. What price is paid for each of rupees 100 share? Okay. What do you mean by rupees 100 share? Hmm, that's it. What price is paid for each? What price? Okay. Is paid for each? Is paid for each of rupees 100 nominal value is given. Okay. What do you mean by what price is paid? What price is paid for each? No, not market. For each of rupees 100 share. Wait, let me check. What price is paid for each? Nominal value is 100, yes, because it is before shares, right? See here, what price is paid? So this is a separate word. Each of rupees 100. So each share is how much? Each share, nominal value of each share is 100. So what price in the sense? Total value, total price. They have asked what price is total price. Okay. So what do you mean by total price? What price or total price is what? So if you want to invest in a company, total what price is paid? Correct. Market value. Somebody told Ruth, right? It is what price is paid for nominal value. See, this is before starting the company, students. Before starting the company, what's the value? 100. Okay. So after starting the company, what price is paid? Okay. For each. Each is 1. So we need to find market value here. Shall we solve? Did you all try this 10th one? Yes. Okay. So what are we supposed to find here? Market value. I'll tell you. Out of 5. Okay. So we need to find what price is paid. Okay, meaning market value. In which formula do we get market value, students? In which formula? Tell me, in which formula we get market value? Remember I told M. Which formula? No, no, no. See, don't go according to the textbook formula your teacher has given. You'll definitely get confused. In which formula we get? Total how many formulas we have? We have 3 formulas. Investment, what else? Annual income and no, there's no number of share formula. Rate of return. So in investment, what's the formula we use? Number of shares into market value. In annual income, we use number of shares or annual income or dividend. Number of shares into ROD by 100. What is rate of return or profit percent? The meaning is same. Yes, dividend divided by investment into 100. So in dividend divided by investment, we don't use market value. In annual income, which one we use? Nominal value. So which is the only formula which we use market value? Which one? Investment. So let us use investment formula. What is investment given? Is number of share given here? We'll keep as it is. Market value is also not given. Oh. Now we'll use these 3 things, students. Look here. These 3 things. Okay. Number of share. If you find number of share, will we get market value? Right? 7,500 divided by what? Number of share. Now let us find number of share. How do you find number of share? In which formula do we find number of share? In investment and dividend. Yes. Can you see dividend value is given here? Shall we use dividend and try? Okay. Dividend is equal to what? Number of share into nominal value into what is dividend? Number of share is not given. What is nominal value? 100. Okay, this was a good question. What is rate of dividend? 10. Yes. Is this clear? All of you understood? So what is number of share, students? Substitute this 50 here, we'll get market value. Yes. The answer is 150. So those who didn't understand, I'll explain again. Look at the screen. I'll explain once again. And the most important part, students, in any question, if nominal value is given, what else should be given? All of you will respond. If there is nominal value, no. Definitely should be given. In this question, is anywhere market value given? 10th one. No, right? No. Then definitely the last part, what price is paid? They're definitely asking us to find market value. See, apart from that, do we have investment value? Right? We have dividend. We have everything. Number of share is missing, market value is missing. Okay. So first thing, if you want to find market value, we use investment is equal to number of shares into market value. Investment is 7500. Divide this number of shares. So number of share is missing. Number of share you get it dividend formula. Or here they have given annual income. Look here. Annual income is 500. Both are same. So let me write annual income is equal to annual income is 500. Is it clear? All of you understood? So it's the same students. You just need to find these four things in the beginning which I told. Let me write here. Fine. So you should know how to make use of these formulas. Therefore, market value is equal to 7500 divided by what's the answer? 150. Check the answer in textbook. Is it correct? What price is paid? See, any question in shares and dividend, there are only these things. They'll ask you to find nominal value, market value, number of shares, annual income, ROD, rate of dividend, or what else is left? Rate of return is also known as profit percent. Profit percent, or they lost. This is also known as rate of return, profit percent, or income percent. Okay, these are the different names. Rate of return, profit percent, income percent. Okay, we'll see. As we solve questions, we'll get other names. Completed? Now make a note. Complete. Last question. Tomorrow we'll solve board exam questions. How many exercises you'll have in shares and dividend? Two. So this is, you'll have one more exercise, right? Done? Completed? Okay, if you have done, that's it, students. That's it.